In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Shopify store URL or link. This is an essential step for those of you who are looking to share your store with potential customers or link it to other platforms. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to Shopify. Open your web browser and log into your Shopify account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the Shopify dashboard, which is your main control center for managing your store. From the dashboard, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen and click on Settings. This will take you to a new page filled with various options for customizing and managing your store. It's from here that we can navigate to the domain settings. Within the Settings menu, you'll find an option labeled Domains. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Shopify manages all the domain names associated with your store. You can see both your primary domain and any additional domains you might have connected to your store. Next, you'll want to locate your primary domain. This is typically the domain name that your customers will use to visit your store, whether it's the default Shopify domain or a custom domain you have set up. Your primary domain will be clearly labeled, making it easy to identify. Once you've found your primary domain, it's time to copy the link. If you're using the default Shopify domain, it might look something like your store, mishopify.com. However, if you have a custom domain, it will appear as your unique URL. Simply highlight the entire link, right-click, and select Copy. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C if you're on a PC or Command+C if you're on a Mac. And there you have it. You've successfully located and copied the URL of your Shopify store, ready to be shared wherever you need. Whether you're sending it to a friend, linking it in a social media post, or adding it to your business card, this link is your gateway to the online world. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on managing your Shopify store and enhancing your online business journey. Until next time, happy selling.